Today, I want to share a simple tool with you which will empower you whenever you are facing self-doubt. Many times we face situations that are challenging, that are difficult, and we start doubting ourselves. For example, you may be a job seeker and you have applied for a big company and your interview is approaching. And you start questioning yourself. Will I be able to make it? Can I clear that interview? So instead of that question, you have to start asking yourself, how can I make it? How can I clear that interview? This how shifts the focus from self-doubt to self-empowerment, and it's a solution-oriented approach that will empower you in that situation to figure out how you will be able to crack the interview. So this is the tool which will really help you clear yourself down. I am Garima Arora Kannan, and this is Life Leadership Movement, inspiring you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life.